Good morning. It's Thursday, June the 8th, and I think you all probably expected to see this video this morning. As you've all likely heard, the Bank of Canada did raise the overnight rate yesterday, which was somewhat unthinkable a couple of months ago. There was always that lingering thought that the rates could go up, but this wrestle with the inflation rate is posing to be a much bigger challenge than the Bank of Canada thought it was going to be. Real estate seems to be one of the bigger factors in the interest costs and inflation. The firming up of the market, particularly in Vancouver, rates are holding and likely growing in some specific areas. But yeah, inflation is not coming down the way it was meant to be or thought to be. Maybe this 25 basis point hike will do it, but until it does, I think we're going to sit in this rough water. There's speculation that there may be one more hike before the year is up, and it's all speculation because obviously predicting the future seems to be near impossible. But fixed rates, and before I stopped doing these weekly, I was touting the fact that the bond yields on the 5 years were hovering around 3%. Well, today they're up around 3.7. So call it a 3/4 point increase in the bond yields. Fixed rates have accordingly lifted the same way. So 5-year fixed are up in that 5% range now, and the 3-year fixed are in that 5.3, 5.5 range, depending whether it's insurable or uninsurable. So a lift there. We still think that the 3-year rate is the go-to, given that things will likely come down. It's a bit of a gamble. You're going to get a bit lower rate, but if things do come down, it's going to be that tough pill to swallow when you see 3% rates and you're locked in at a 5% rate. So we'll see. Mortgages can be ported, mortgage can be broken. There's always a cost, but again, timing things right now is a bit of a difficult chore. So yesterday I wanted to wait it out, and sure enough, late yesterday and early today, we're starting to see the banks increase their prime rates. So just call it a 25 basis point hike. So now we're up about 695 on the variable. So any of you with an adjustable variable rate or home equity lines of credit like myself are going to feel a bit of a bite in the weeks to come and days to come. So leave you with this. Hope you're enjoying the weather. Weekends coming up. I hope you have productive ones, whether it's personal, social, or business. Anyhow, we'll talk soon. Bye for now.